Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 4 and 5 of exercise 2.3 of chapter 2 fractions and decimals. Now in question number 4 we have two sums. I will only explain question number 1 and sum number 2 will be our homework. Okay, this is very easy. Now in question number 4 it is said that which is greater. Now they have given two fractional form, that is 2 by 7 or 3 by 4. This is the first term, and the second term they have given 3 by 5 or 5 by 8. Now you have to say which term is greater. For this, first you have to solve this first term, that is 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Okay, and you have to also solve 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 simultaneously. Now of means what? What is the meaning of? That means into 3 by 7 into 3 by 4. So we can reduce this two number. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. So your answer is 3 upon 14. Similarly, we have to solve this also. That is 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. Now we can solve this. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So our answer is 3 upon 8. Now we have to say that which of this fraction among these two fractions which is greater, that is 3 by 14 or 3 by 8. Now what we have to say? So let me just write this way. Okay, now we have to put it a greater than sign or less than sign. So how to do that? For that we have to make this fraction a like fraction, that is the denominators. We have to make the denominators alike, isn't it? So what we have to do? LCM of the denominator, that is 14 and 8, isn't it? What will be the LCM of 14 and 8, boys? So we have to find it out, isn't it? So 14 and 8, 14 and 8. So that will be 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8. So that 2 7s are 2 2, 2 7s are 1, and then 7 1s are, isn't it? So 2 2s are 4, okay, and 2 7s are 14. So 4 into 14 will give you what? 4 4s are 16, that is 56. Okay, so it will be 56. So LCM of 4 and 14 is 56. Now we'll take the first fraction. Now we have to divide this 56 with this 14. So answer would be what? 4, because 14 4s are 56. So 4, 4. So 3 4s are 12. 14 into 4 is 56. Now we'll take this part. 3 upon 8. Now if you divide this 56 with 8, what is the answer? 7, because 7 is the 56. We'll multiply the 7 with the numerator as well as the denominator. The 7 3s are 21, 8 7s are 56. Now which one is greater? Obviously this one. So 21 by 56 is greater than 12 by 56. But 21 by 56 we are getting from which fraction? 3 by 8. So we will write 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. So 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. So we'll write this sign. Okay, so hence we can write that 3 by 8 that we are getting from this fraction, that is this part is greater than this part. Okay, so this part is greater. Okay, so how to conclude this sum? So we can write that, how to write this? We can write this part as 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Okay, this is how you have to calculate your sum. So now let's move on to sum number 5. Now question number 5 we have, there is one character Salil. Now Shelly, okay, now Shelly plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. Saplings means a small baby plant. So she has planted 4 baby plant in a row. Okay, so baby plant you can say like this. Baby plant like this. Sorry if I am not that good in drawing. So you just consider these as a baby plants. Okay, so in one particular row, in one row only, she has planted 4 saplings. Okay. Now what is the next thing? The distance between two adjacent sapling is 3 by 4 meter. So the distance between each sapling, consecutive sapling, is 3 by 4 meter. So this distance will be also 3 by 4 meter. This distance will be also 3 by 4 meter, isn't it? So the consecutive distance between the two adjacent sapling is 3 by 4 meter. So number of saplings planted is what? 4. So the number of gaps, find the distance between the first and the last sapling. So we have to find the distance between the first sapling and the last sapling, isn't it? So Salil planted 4 saplings in a row. Okay, fine. So the distance between. So we have to write some sentence, students. So the distance between two adjacent saplings, we have to write first. The distance, these are the things which are given in the question. The distance between two adjacent saplings, that is equals to what? 3 by 4 meter, isn't it? This is given in the question. And number of saplings planted, we will also write this. Number of saplings planted, that will be what? 4 saplings, and that is in a row, planted in a row. You have to also mention this, in a same row, that is equals to 4, isn't it? Now then the gap, number of gaps in between is how much? That is 3. How many gaps are there? 1, 2 and 3. So number of gaps, we'll find it out then. Number of gaps in saplings in between all this. So how many gaps are there? This is first gap, number 1. This is second gap, number 2. This is third gap, isn't it? So number of gaps in saplings, that will be what? 3 by 4 into 4, because 4 saplings are there. So we'll cut it down. So we'll write 3, isn't it? So this is the total number of gaps is 3. Now finally what we have to find? The distance between the first and the last sapling. Therefore, the distance between the first and the last saplings, that will be what? Each gap is what? 3 by 4. And how many gaps are there? 3. So what will we write? It's easy. That is 3 into 3 by 4. Isn't it? 3 into 3 by 4. So that will be 3 by 1. So we'll multiply numerator with numerator. That is 9. Denominator with denominator. That is 4. So this is your required answer. So hence the distance between the first and the last saplings is what? 9 by 4. And if you want to convert this into the mixed fractions form, which you should do, that would be answer, that the final answer would be 2 1 by 4 meter. I have always said that if you see the fraction is in improper form, then you should always give your answer in the mixed fraction form. That is 2 1 by 4 meter. So this is a solution of question number 5. So that's it for today, boys. Till then, God bless you all. Stay blessed and take care.